What do the medical textbooks say about leaky gut? I imagine patients
Well,
ask doctors about this.
it's kind of, it's sort of like what I had alluded to earlier. It's always this disease tends to be associated with aging, genetics, maybe a little bit viral. Okay. And the reason I go through all that is you've got all these autoimmune diseases and they put the patients on powerful drugs, kind of like chemotherapy. So it's not in any of the books to say, well, gee, the most common cause of autoimmune disease is leaky gut, increased intestinal permeability. Because when you have a lack of tight junctions between the intestinal cells, big chunks of protein can get
Right.
across that lining, and then they're going to interact with the immune system. And the immune system senses it's foreign material, so it'll form antibodies to it. But the amino acid sequences on these proteins are similar enough to ours because they come from meat, from an animal, that they'll cross-react with our own body. Like let's say you eat a hot dog and there's ground up thyroid from the animal in there. Then you form antibodies to that. Well, that'll cross-react potentially with their own thyroid. They get Hashimoto's thyroiditis, for example. And you can get other types of autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus.
Rheumatoid arthritis. If someone stops eating those, say we fix the leaky gut situation, they stop eating those proteins, does that arthritis heal itself, or is your immune
Yeah, they have a
system
very good chance to have a dramatic recovery.
Mhm.
And so that's what, in my opinion, they should aim for because they're curing themselves just with a healthy diet. And there's not any side effects with that.